What's up, guys? Today we're gonna talk about this tiny guy, Insta360 Foldable Selfie Stick. Since the X5 coming out, this is one of the gear coming with the Insta360. My camera is X4. You guys gonna see it? Whoa, how portable it is! Selfie stick. You can extend up to this one. It's good, pretty good for the blocking. If you finish blocking, you can just retrieve it and then press the button here, just pull it back. And in addition to that, it has land cover to cover your land. Then just strap here and then just the same size as our iPhone blow, guys. I really like it. Hey, what's up, guys? We just paused this one, and what we get inside, let's have a look. Anyway, guys, you are joining me from Foldable Airport, Thailand. Here we go. Two-in-one selfie stick. What else we get? Like a remote. Dummy remote. It's not the real one, just this one, and the wrist strap. And now let's connect our S4. There we go, guys. Just put here and turn the screw. You can do like this. Okay, guys, now let's see the drop test while you are wearing the strap. There we go. You can just drop like that, but stay okay. Good morning, guys. Sai here. Today video I will be showing you how to travel from EMK domestic airport to Foldable Airport. Here, guys, I just want to show you one thing. If you're not wearing the wrist strap, is gonna be swinging in the air while you are blocking, guys. We really need to be aware of it. And if you are hold it in your hand, it will be appear in the camera and it doesn't look nice at all. Just to avoid this simple mistake. Okay, guys, after waiting for 15 minutes, now we can go to the next airport. Here, another example of blocking, guys. Hold the camera in my hand. And on the bus, I wear the wrist strap and hold the camera.
Hey, what's up,
Quite
guy?
convenient.
Just get off from the shuttle bus. It takes exactly 1 hour. Now it's 11 a.m. We are leaving from DMK airport around 10 o'clock. And the waiting time is 15 minutes. Hey guys, just get the food from 7-Eleven. What I like most about Thai food is this kapow guy with the eggs, and then get the drink here.
By the way, this time you do it right. Insta360 guy, the guy who designed this one, I really want to give the credit, guy. It's pretty cool. This is can very easily fit into the pocket, guy. Very comfortable. Just keep walking.
Okay guys, this is after I got the right selfie stick. You cannot even see extrusion on my backpack. And very easy to deploy, guy. You can see the two Chinese girls behind me. They are holding the DJI Pocket 3, almost the same size with the foldable selfie stick, Insta360 X4 or X5, guy. Yeah, this is another demonstration. And let's put in our pocket and check. Yeah, it's quite easy, guy, and very convenient. This is my backpack after getting the right gear. Thanks to Insta360, I really recommend it to get one. This video, no one sponsor. Thanks for watching. Give me the subscribe if you like it.